Wow! Look at those starfish paint, girl! They are so cool! I want to draw a big red excavator with starfish patterns. Great idea! Let's use my magic brush. Starfish power.
It's alive! The Starfish Excavator!
We love it! This is amazing!
Oh no! Monkey Bandit is taking the excavator!
Stop him! He's going to cause trouble!
Central, this is Officer Jones at the beach tower. I need immediate backup. Situation is escalating rapidly.
Paint Girl, Monkey Bandit is destroying the beach.
Help! We are on our way, officer.
Magic brush. Sand trap.
Gotcha, Monkey Bandit! Game over! Apology accepted. But now, you must fix the mess.
Easy does it. Good job, Monkey Bandit. Teamwork save the beach! Teamwork save the beach!
Be creative and help keep our beaches clean.
Like and subscribe Busy Vehicles Kids for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.